Hey everyone. Big news just dropped. Elon Musk has officially unveiled the long-anticipated Tesla Model 2, and yes, it's priced at just $11,179. You heard that right, Tesla is about to flip the entire auto industry on its head with one of the most affordable electric vehicles ever made. If you've been waiting for the moment when electric cars become truly accessible for the average person, this is that moment. In this video, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about the Tesla Model 2, specs, design, range, features, price breakdown, release dates, and how this car is about to shake up the global market. Let's start with the big question: how did Tesla get the price of an EV down to just $11,179? That's less than half the cost of the current cheapest Tesla, the Model 3, and it makes the Model 2 even more affordable than many gas-powered compact cars on the market today. Elon Musk has hinted at this breakthrough for years, but now it's real. Here's how they did it. Next general battery tech. Tesla's new lithium iron phosphate, LFP, battery cells are cheaper to produce and more stable, allowing them to drastically cut production costs. Gigafactory efficiency. With the help of Tesla's Berlin and Mexico gigafactories running at full efficiency, manufacturing costs have plummeted. Structural battery pack. Tesla's new chassis integrates the battery directly into the vehicle's frame, reducing weight, improving performance, and saving materials. Fewer parts, smarter production. The Model 2 is engineered with a minimalist philosophy: fewer moving parts, more automation, and less complexity. This price point is a warning shot to the rest of the automotive industry. Tesla isn't just competing anymore, they're dominating. Think of a compact, urban-focused hatchback, futuristic, yet unmistakably Tesla. It's smaller than the Model 3 but with bold, sculpted lines and an aggressive stance that makes it look anything but budget. A panoramic glass roof. Sleek, frameless windows. Aerodynamic flush door handles. A minimal, yet premium, front fascia, no grille, just clean LED strips and the Tesla logo. A single 15-inch touchscreen display, your hub for everything. No physical buttons. Vegan leather seats. Ambient lighting. Fold flat rear seats for extra cargo space. This is not your average economy car. It's elegant, it's clean, and it screams innovation. Now let's talk numbers, because what's an EV without performance stats? 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.9 seconds for the base model. Top speed of 112 miles per hour. Range, 250 to 300 miles depending on the configuration. Yes, you heard right, up to 300 miles of range. That's more than enough for city commuting, weekend trips, and everything in between. A standard version with 250 miles of range. A long-range version with 300 miles. All versions come with regenerative braking, instant torque, and the signature Tesla smooth driving experience. Of course, no Tesla is complete without its cutting-edge software. Optional full self-driving, FSD, capability, including navigate on autopilot, smart summon, auto lane change, and more. With Tesla's AI team making rapid progress, FSD continues to improve via over-the-air updates, and yes, Model 2 will receive them too. Voice commands that work naturally. Sentry mode for security. Tesla Vision, camera-based driver assistance without radar. Over-the-air software updates, new features just drop while your car is parked. Charging is easy and fast, compatible with Tesla's Supercharger V4 network. Charges from 10% to 80% in under 25 minutes. Can also be charged at home via standard wall outlets or Tesla wall connectors. Cost per mile? Pennies compared to gas. And maintenance? With no oil changes, fewer parts, and regular diagnostics, costs are ultra-low. Tesla even includes a streamlined app for managing charging, payments, climate control, and navigation, right from your phone. Tesla says the Model 2 will begin production in late 2025, with deliveries starting shortly after in early 2026. Pre-orders are expected to open by Q4 2025, with a low deposit of $250 to reserve your spot. Initially launching in the US, Europe, China. Tesla's Mexico Gigafactory will focus heavily on Model 2 production, keeping delivery times shorter than past rollouts. Affordable EVs equals mass adoption. This could be the iPhone moment for electric cars. New markets unlocked. With a price under $12,000, Tesla can now target emerging economies like India, Brazil, and Southeast Asia. Urban mobility revolution. Compact, efficient, and emission-free, the Model 2 is designed for modern cities. We're talking about EVs becoming mainstream, not luxury. This is how you change the world, one affordable car at a time. Against BYD, BYD's Dolphin is close in price but lacks Tesla's software ecosystem and range. Against GM's Bolt, the Bolt is retiring. Model 2 is taking over its price segment. Against Toyota, Toyota's EVs are still limited, and none hit this price-performance sweet spot. Most companies can't match Tesla's vertical integration. From batteries to software, Tesla controls everything, giving them a massive edge. Expect competitors to scramble. Expect headlines. Expect innovation. If you've ever dreamed of owning a Tesla, this might be your moment. For just over $11,000, you're getting an electric car with over 250 miles of range. Autopilot capabilities. Tesla-level design and software. Near-zero maintenance. It's sustainable. It's smart. It's affordable. And yes, it's real. Whether you're a student, a first-time car buyer, or just someone looking to cut fuel costs, the Model 2 is probably the most important car of this decade. So, what do you think? Is the Tesla Model 2 the game changer we've all been waiting for? Are you planning to reserve one? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this breakdown useful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more EV updates, Tesla news, and real-world tech insights. The electric revolution just hit a new gear, and you're in the front seat. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.